Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and within just 20 months, HMD Global has made quite a name in ushering in the era of Android-powered Nokia phones. The latest to launch is the Nokia 7.1 that was unveiled at an event in Europe. You get a 5.84-inch IPS LCD FullHD Plus display that HMD claims is HDR10 compatible and can upscale SDR videos to HDR. It certainly is bright. There's also a notch, but quite small in size. The phone is housed in a glass casing held within an aluminum frame with diamond-cut chamfers like the Nokia 6 we saw in 2018. The two colors, midnight blue and glossy steel, look quite good. My money's on the steel colored variant. Under the hood, you get a Snapdragon 636 SoC paired with either 3 or 4 GB RAM and 32 or 64 GB storage. Powering it all is a 3060 mAh battery. As for the optics, there's a 12 plus 5 megapixel dual Zeiss cameras at the back and an 8 megapixel sensor up front. The unique thing about the camera this time is that you can adjust or freeze the frame of your bothie instead of keeping the feed from both the cameras equal. The Nokia 7.1 will go on sale later this month in Europe and will be priced at 319 euros, which is roughly about 27,000 rupees. There's no word about when the smartphone will launch in India as of now, but stay tuned for more coverage on the Nokia 7.1. For more videos like this one, you can subscribe to our channel and stay tuned to Digit.in for more from the Nokia family of smartphones.